Hey, everybody, this is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take another look at IWM. This is the iShares Russell 2000. Now, this is a chart that we actually brought to your attention on Tuesday, and it played out exactly as we had hoped. I mentioned on Tuesday watching IWM and interest rate sensitive stocks for a potential breakout if CPI came in below expectations. It did, and we got that breakout that we were looking for, and it came on higher than average volume. So I would definitely keep an eye on IWM for some follow through to the upside as this gapped and went and held the gap to the upside. And though it is just under a pretty clear resistance zone, right there, just around that 211, 212 region. When we saw this gap up, we also saw SPY and the triple Qs sell off a little bit. So not only are the IWM stocks working, it looks like we're actually getting a bit of a sector rotation. So if this rotation continues, I think you're going to want to live in and around this chart or even the leveraged T&A chart for the next little bit as a bit of a catch-up trade, because as we know, the market rally has been very narrow. There's been a handful of stocks, the big tech leaders, they've been really leading the rally. And so I definitely think it's time for them to rest and for some of these small cap stocks to play catch-up. So keep an eye on IWM for some follow through. I would definitely recommend having an alert at around that 212 level here on IWM. And if you took this idea today, I would consider a stop at the very least, at the low of today, right around that 206.90 level. So that's just one of many stocks and setups that we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full list, take a trial of our premium service. Click that link, and I'll see you on the other side.